Labor relations. Labor relations are the interactions and negotiation between the employers who run the business and set the rules, and employees who do the work. It's like a conversation between the bosses and workers, with both sides trying to agree on things like pay, hours, and working conditions. Sometimes, employees join unions to have a stronger voice when talking to their employers about these things. One example of union in IT industry is the Trade Union Congress of the Philippines, or TUCP. TUCP is one of the largest labor federations in the Philippines. One of the example of union in an IT industry is the Trade Union Congress of the Philippines, or TUCP. TUCP is one of the largest labor federations in the Philippines, representing workers from diverse sectors, including IT, while its focus extends beyond the IT industry. It advocates for the rights and welfare of the workers across different professions.
Collective bargaining is a process where workers, usually through their union, negotiate with their employer to determine terms and conditions of employment. This negotiation covers various aspects such as wages, benefits, working hours, vacation time, and workplace safety. It's like a big discussion where both sides try to reach an agreement that is fair and beneficial for everyone involved. During collective bargaining, both the union and the employer present their proposals and concerns, and then work towards finding common ground. Once an agreement is reached, it is formalized into a document called Memorandum of Agreement, or MOA. So this document outlines all the terms and conditions that have been agreed upon by both parties. It's important to note that collective bargaining empowers workers by giving them a voice in decisions that directly affect their livelihoods. Additionally, it helps maintain a balance of power between employers and employees, ensuring that workers are treated fairly and their rights are protected.
Employee rights, like fair pay and safe workplaces, are very important. Labor laws, these are like rules made by the government to ensure that workers are treated fairly by their employers, or setting rules like for things like wages and hours. Forming unions, when workers feel like they're not being treated fairly, or they can join together or form a group called union, or they work together to stand up for their rights like getting better pay or safer working conditions. And safe working conditions means making sure that the place where people work is safe and free from things that could harm them, or these rights help make sure everyone gets treated well at work and stays safe on the job.
Unfair labor practices in the Philippines means treating workers unfairly, especially by firing them for trying to form or join a union. This is against the law because workers have the right to join together to ask for better pay and working conditions. So when workers in a company trying to form a union to ask for better pay or safer working conditions, it's called unfair. The company fires for doing that. This is because workers have the right to join together and ask for better treatment at work. When a company fires someone for trying to form a union, it's breaking the rules. For example, so in a factory try to form a union because they're unhappy with pay and safety. The company fires some for small mistake, claiming poor performance, but the real reason is they're forming a union, which is against the law to fire for in the Philippines. So they can complain to the Department of Labor and Employment to get their jobs back.
The advantages of nurturing good communication and collaboration in labor relations cannot be overstated. So, when employers and employees communicate openly and respect each other's viewpoints, the result is often increased productivity, improves morale, and reduces workplace conflict. This harmonious environment benefits not just the individual involved, but the organization as a whole.
In conclusion, understanding and implementing effective labor relation practices such as collective bargaining, respecting employee rights, and avoiding unfair labor practices create a strong foundation for any organization. It encourages a culture of respect, trust, and collaboration. Consider this a call of action delve deeper into the specific of labor laws. encourage open communication, and effective engage in fostering a collaborative work environment. The success of organization lies in the well-being of its workforce.